Joe Beermaster of a 2007 Nissan Murano. I'm going to show you how to check your settings, oil change, on that, all that. First thing you do is you want to hit the settings button. The screen comes up. Check your vehicle electronics. I just toggle down. Then once you have it, press it in. You can set your adjustments for driver's seat, how to unlock the door, keyless remote response, a horn or no horn, whether you want lights, sensitivity and all that. There's different things here to choose from. Or you can go all the way back to the default settings. You just hit enter, but we're not going to do that. I'm going to show you the system settings. I'm going to press that again. You have language, you have the clock, different beep settings, so we're not going to get into that. And that's basically how you go through this. Let's go back to this. Electronic systems. System settings. There is a choice for oil change on here somewhere. I'll try to find that. We got display. We got speed of the wipers there.